everyone, I'm Amiyah. My mom's working the camera today, and I know you're pretty used to her, but I'm going to be here today. I love slime. I made all of these using different recipes. I used a regular slime kit for this one, and for the other ones, I kind of experimented with borax water. I used this slime activator right here.
Okay, and did you follow the recipe on the slime activator?
Yes.
What happened when you did that?
It didn't quite work out, so I added just a little bit of borax into some water with my mom's permission.
So Amiyah was playing with her slime today, and she found out something really cool that you could do with it, and she's going to show you. It's just a cotton candy container that she's eating the cotton candy, of course. All right, and then what did you do? You just put your slime in there and did what with your cotton candy container?
I turned this upside down for 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna stick this stick in there.
So there's all kinds of cool things you can do and experiment with your slime. And when she did this, she noticed something about the air bubbles, and something began to happen. There's air that's trapped under there that's causing it to expand like this. Pretty cool. All right, what else do you have right here on the table while we keep watching that?
I have these candy containers that I ate the candy from, and these are just molds for my slime that I use.
So you make different impressions out of them, right?
Yes.
Well, I think everybody's going to enjoy playing with their slime. I'm sure you're not the only one that is a slime lover. Look at that, everybody.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it,